Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today it's just making up a little bit of letter stash really. I've got these little stamps, little wooden stamps here, little letter ones, which are very inexpensive little stamps which I've never really used. They keep falling off my little shelf in front of me, so I thought I'd better do something with them. So I've got a little bit of scrap paper. And all I've been doing is stamping onto the scrap paper, just so I can make up some little stash of words. And what I've done, I've got this little box, which is a little box that I covered. I've covered it with some of my background papers, and all it was a piece of the bottom of my tea that I drink, the green tea that I drink. So I've just covered that, and I've made some little pouches to go in it to keep the words in, not words, the letters. So it's just like that. So we've got N and P on there, to use 2 in each one like that. So you can see they're just random bits of paper that I had, and pop the scraps on them. So they go in there. This one's I've put all the vowels in, so I can get those first, because we need lots and lots of those. So easy peasy. These little pouches, all as they are, is a piece of vellum or a piece of tracing paper, and a piece of tea stain paper, but again you can use anything, but I like it because it's see-through and you can see how many letters that you have in there. The vellum piece is 5 inches by 2 inches, and the tea stain paper is 5 inches by 2¼ inches. Now it depends obviously on what size box you're going to use, but that's the size that I've done. And I've just sewn around it and up through the middle, just like that. Again, if you're going to make these, you can just glue it if you don't have a sewing machine, but I thought they looked quite nice. So I'm just building up just some little letter stash, and here I've actually printed some words, stamped some words as well. These are the autumn papers that I had left over, so I've just stamped some leaves and autumn on there. Christmas paper that I had left over, which I put ho 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 on there. Now these are lovely, just that one says merry. If you just want a word to go onto a tag or onto a journal page or something, these ones are the words that I use the most, with things like believe and love and dream and wish. So I've just stamped some of those words out on there and pop them in a little pouch at the back. So that's it. So it's a bit of just an easy no-brainer one today. So I've just got some scrap paper. We'll take some, I'm using VersaFine ink. This is quite a juicy one, it's quite a new one, so it's a bit juicy, and all I'm doing is just taking the little letters and stamping them onto a piece of paper. So how easy can you get for a Monday morning like that? So you can get different letters anyway, can't you? You've probably got different stamps. You might have silicone stamps that you can use as well, so you can vary the size of your letters, but easy peasy. And then you just cut them out like that, and then put that out of the way and pop them in the little pouch, so they go into D like that. So you've got a nice little stash there. And what I've done with them, carrying on the theme with our autumn theme for the Friday freebies, I've just printed fall out on there, and I think that looks really nice, using up the little bits of paper. This one I've just popped dream, so that's a nice little word to pop into a journal, or even to a card, into your scrapbook. And on this one I've just made a little thank you card, which I think is really nice. I thought also these will go, because I was going to put them into my art journal. I've got to do a little bit of art journaling, I haven't done it for a long time, but if you just wanted like a little saying on there or a word in your art journal, these are quite nice, just to pop them there as well. So that's it, that's been my Monday morning, just getting into a little bit of start to crafting for the week. I'm not sure what I am going to be doing for the rest of the week, but I'm sure I will find something. I've had such a busy weekend, I just wanted something simple to do this morning, not make anything. I just wanted to build up a little bit of stash with something or other, and I think these were quite nice to make little letters with. So there we go, guys, that's what I've been up to, so I thought I'd just share it with you. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend and you're ready for the week. I hope you can fit in some crafting. So there we go. Alright guys, you take care, have a fantastic week, and I will see you soon. Alright, bye bye.